Alright guys, I'm going to make a video today about reading the codes on your Mustang with the OBD1. So they sell the scanners for them. You can pick these up, but you really don't have to get one. All you have to do is get a piece of wire and put some blade connectors on it, and you can ground the terminals and just count the check engine light flashing. So on the driver's side behind the strut tower, you've got this test plug here. So I'm just going to pop this off of here with a fork tool, and I'll show you how to plug the connector in, jump the wires. So you want to just pop this off the strut tower and then pull these harnesses out. Alright, so with the connectors pulled out of there, you're going to have this single wire. You want to plug your jumper into that single wire, and then with the connector shaped like a pyramid, the top right pin is the one you need to connect into. And we're ready to just turn the key to the on position. Just come in the car, turn the key to on. Here it fired the pump again. It's that little flash. So we got two single flashes, so that's 11. So that's 9. And that's a 6. It's got another 9. Another 6. So it'll repeat the codes for you. So go ahead and turn the key off. And then if you have that, if you buy the scanner has the codes in it. The codes will be in the book. But going through the repair manual, if you go in the emissions section, you know, this has got the 91 to 92, so we want the 89 to 92. This car's a 90. So 11 is a system pass. So that was the first code that it kicked out. The 96 is a high-speed fuel pump circuit open. I don't know why it's throwing that code. Usually it throws a thermactor code, the 94, because this car has an air pump on it. So then the other test you can do too, like I already had the car running, got it warmed up a little bit. So with that jumper wire still connected, I'm just going to start the car up. Usually it'll jump up to a high idle when it starts testing everything. So don't be alarmed if the engine kind of jumps around a little bit. That's the computer opening and closing the IAC. As you can see, don't have my foot on the gas. Probably the best way to do this would be to go for like a 10-mile ride and really get the car warmed up, but this will probably be good enough for making this video. And usually when the idle settles down, it'll start throwing whatever codes. Get that little flash, it's ready to send them. So that's 9. And that's 4. So we got 44. Got 9 again. Four, so that's 94. So we got 44. That looks like 13. So we got 94, 44, and 13. Alright, so then just turn the car off. You can disconnect those jumper cables. So 94 is that thermactor code. 44 is another thermactor. And then 13 is DC motor did not follow dash pot, whatever that means. I don't know what that means. So let's throw in thermactor codes because there's no air pump on the car. So then you just disconnect your wires and plug it back into this holder and push it back onto the strut tower. But that's it. So the other thing too is, like, it seems like it's pretty common with the OBD1 to not have a check engine light, but to still have codes in the car. And then to clear the codes, I'll just disconnect the battery overnight, and that usually clears out the codes. And that's something else you could do. You know, if you think you have old codes in the car, you know, you could disconnect the battery overnight, then drive it for a couple days. You know, let it do whatever diagnostics it's going to grab codes while you're driving it. So then after a couple days of driving it, you can go ahead and do this test. You know, do the key on, engine off, and then do the key on, engine running. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple. And then if you use the wire, you're going to need a repair manual so that you know what the codes are.